hate comments. You won't buy me Robux. I hate you. No, do you know how expensive Robux are? I'm not buying you Robux. You're a poopy head. You didn't even spell poopy right. Hey, this you? I mean, he's kind of cute. I mean, I look nothing like Bonnie. Jellybean, more like Jelly P, LLL. Why would you call me that? What? You smell like onions. I'm gonna say it. You are not invited to my birthday party, and we're having a ball pit.
Hey, Mario!
No, please, I'm so sorry. Please invite me. Please invite me. Exposed? No, this is clearly fake. It's Photoshop. I'm throwing a rock at you. Is it Dwayne The Rock Johnson? So short, why are you a goblin?
What the fuck, amigo? Vos estás re loco.
You suck, I hate you, are the worst. I'm unsubscribing and I'm unfollowing you on Twitch. Okay, you could say that you hate me, but don't unfollow me on Twitch.